Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to quickly walk you through the Christmas gift tracker. It's super easy to use. Under the Set Your Holiday section, simply double-click the cell. A calendar will automatically appear. Select your holiday date from the calendar. This feature allows you to reuse the tracker for all your future Christmases. Next, under Set Your Currency, enter your preferred currency symbol. The entire sheet will automatically adjust based on these two settings. At the top left of the page, you'll see a calendar. You can personalize the calendar start day as Monday or Sunday. On the right side of the page, you'll see how many days are left until Christmas. Just below that, today's date will be displayed automatically. Now let's fill in the Christmas gift tracker. You can track up to 200 gifts in total. Under the recipient column, the number of names you enter will be counted automatically and shown under Total Gifts. The difference column is calculated automatically. If you've spent less than your budget, the result will appear in green. If you've gone over budget, it will appear in red. Under the Bought, Wrapped, and Sent sections, you'll find check boxes. As you mark them, the 3 pie charts above will automatically update. The completion percentage is displayed in the center of each chart, and below the charts, you'll see the completed count versus the total count. When you check Sent, the entire row will automatically appear as completed. At the top right, your total budget, total spent, and left to spend are calculated automatically. And that's it. It's that simple. I wish you all a Merry Christmas. You can find the link to this product in the description. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.